No worries. I guess you can say my brother is having a rough day.
Enough! Now, can't you be serious for a moment here?
That might be possible.
That's it! Come here!
Come on, I'm holding the pup.
Chomp. Owwieeee! Let go!
Here, let me.
Ouch! Ow! Owwieeee!
Man, he has a grip of steel.
Ow! Ow! Sans, stop!
Pap?
It's clear now. What must be done? Sans,
Yeah, bro?
we're going to have to cut off my hand.
What?
Are you laughing at me? Quit it! Quit it now! How can you laugh at a time like this? I'm sorry, Papyrus, but come on, bro. It's not gonna come to that, okay? Let's try this. Alright, little guy. Get the bone.
Here, boy. Come on. Boink, boink. Huh.
It's hopeless! Yo!
Poke,